to go back down this way. Oh yeah. Woo! Let's go!
Yes, bro.
So guys, Tall Torque here. I'm doing a biking vid. Got the bike right there, loading the back of the truck. Over here in Kane Creek, OHV area, one of my favorite places to ride. Rode here a bunch last summer. This is my first ride of this summer. It's gonna be a good day. It's pretty hot, but we're gonna do lots of creek crossings, so hopefully cool down quite a bit. And yeah, let's get after it. You have no idea. That could be like 8 feet deep for all you know. Alright, here we go. Ooh, I got my bum wet. Alrighty guys, so just so you guys know a little bit about me, my setup out here. I got a chance to show you guys the bike a little bit later, but I'm riding a Talaria Sting R, which is an e-moto. I know you guys can make fun of me all you want for riding electric. It's fine, it works for me, I like it. I can just pick it up and put it in the back of my truck and go out and do some quick rides real quick. It's a little small, and I'm a big guy, but I've done a few things to like make it better, get some different pegs, raise the handlebars. So yeah, it works for me and I like it. It's fun. Now let's see, right now I'm at 83% of my battery. I rode about probably 5 miles, just kind of gravel fire road to get here, and I'm probably about, I don't know, half a mile into the trail. Yeah, I'm not worried about it. This should be a pretty short ride today. Pretty easy as well. This is only like a 2 out of 5 as far as what dirtbikeutah.com says. I'm living in Moab for the summer. If you guys know Puget Canyon, you know Moab Rim Trail, you know Cliffhanger, all these trails. These are some pretty intense trails. I've ridden 2 out of 3 of those already, and we'll be doing all of them this summer as well. So it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned, like and subscribe to follow along and see what happens. I'm gonna keep giving you guys some good content. All right. So, for anybody wondering about the e-motos and what it's like being out here, you know, where I'm all alone, maybe worry about running out of battery. Like I said, I haven't run out of battery before. I've ridden it a long time, never really ended it. I think the closest I've gotten to ending is like 10%. But I also rode it from my house all the way to the trailhead, rode the trail. It was like 8 miles or 10-mile loop, and then rode it back. Anyways, the range on this bike is about 50 miles. I can go on a full charge, and the top speed is about 55 miles per hour. Now, the range all depends on how hard I'm riding it. For the most part, the trail riding doesn't drain the battery too much. What really drains is when you're just wide open on the throttle, you know, going through a sand dune. Maybe you're on a highway road or something like that. That's what drains it the most. Now, the slow trail riding doesn't drain it too much. Oh yeah. Woo! Alrighty guys, made it back to the truck. It was a good ride. I had like, let's see, actually I'm gonna check right now and see how much battery I had left. A lot more than I thought. It is 28%, so I had a lot of room to go. Yeah, it was a good ride. Thanks for watching so far if you made it this way. Appreciate you guys, and catch you next time. I'm a dumbass. Oh yeah, enduro log cross.